Radhe Krishna everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm a 12th grader of science CBSE background. Today is 27th May 2025, as you all know, and the specialty about this day is that on the same date, that is 27, on the next month, that is 27th June 2025, is a very special day that we all are awaiting of. That is a very mesmerizing and very enthusiastic day for us all. Is that 27th June 2025 is the famous cart festival of Lord Jagannath. It is the day of Sri Rath Yatra. Okay, so today is a very special day for me, and I have planned something special. So there is a breakdown of orders, that is, if a person has 400 tasks to complete in 30 days, that is within 5 weeks, then in 1 week he or she has to complete 80 tasks, and in 1 day he or she has to complete 10 tasks approximately. So minimum he or she has to cover off 6 tasks in 1 day. So if this task goes for me, then I have 10 tasks to complete in a day, and minimum I have to complete 6 tasks in a day. As I'm not too much used to completing of this task, so I have a breakdown of orders. In between the 5 weeks, on the first week I will complete 6 tasks in one go in a day, and on the second week I will complete 8 tasks at one go in a day, and from the third week onwards I will complete the 10 tasks in one go in a day, and that's a challenge for me. So let us see if we succeed or not. So I'm giving myself this kind of challenge for the first time. So let us hope for the best. We'll complete it soon, and at the end of the 5 weeks I will say to you that I have completed all of my 400 tasks, and I'll give you a surprise. Okay, so I want to quote something that even if the time is limited, but the time is enough. Okay, so I can complete the 400 tasks in 1 month, that is in 5 weeks also. Okay, so the key points that I have to keep in my mind are: plan, prioritize, do your best, give your 100%, and the result is waiting. So I want to quote a very small line from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, is that as mentioned by Lord Shri Krishna in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, is that the task which you want to do now, or which you will do now, is already done. Okay, so you just have to act of completing that task. So the task that I am willing to complete is already done, is already completed. So I just have to act. I have to give my 100%. Okay, and try my best. So let us hope for the best. Let us complete them all. At the end of the 5 weeks, I will give you a beautiful surprise. Okay, so that's it for today. Stay tuned to get some more beautiful facts like this. Radhe Krishna.